Okay.
You want me to mute the TV first?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
So I had Zen Windows come out and put some new windows in my house. Was looking for a good quality window and without the extra sales pitch, and they were able to provide that pretty easily, and it was very nice. I didn't have to, because I didn't need to be sold on a window. I just needed to price and that kind of thing. And looking at their window compared to some of the competitors that I had quote, very comparable, and looks really nice and everything. Dennis has been very easy to deal with. He was a very quick response on getting back with me. He was contacting me pretty much the next day after I sent my request in. So, and then we had a guy out here to measure about a week later, and then windows were here in about 4 to 6 weeks. And Dennis's crew here has been awesome. They've gotten in and out, basically all the windows out and roughed in, new ones in about an hour and a half or so. It was really good job. They look really nice. They finished up, drop cloths everywhere, protected everything, and cleaned up after themselves. So very professional. But I do recommend Zen Windows for anyone looking.
Great.
So,
Thank you very much. Thanks for your business.
you're welcome. Thank you.